Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this beautiful 6 bedroom, 4 bathroom home. It sits on over 2.5 acres of land with floor space of 3,500 square feet and is located in the middle of a great family oriented community in Manchester. It is approximately 15 minutes drive from the town of Mandeville. Stepping inside this tastefully designed house, you immediately get the feeling of home, especially as the beautiful, cozy living room beckons you to sit a while and relax. Ventilation is good, and the free flow air throughout the house screams freshness. The main house has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, inclusive of the master bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Dining and cooking should be pleasurable experiences as nice, cool air steams through the open windows and doors where they are positioned. The big bonus to this house is a large, beautiful 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom flat at the basement level, which is perfect for that income earner. Please contact agent today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 58 million or US $376.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.